Hello there, Taylor with the Mal-Tiempo report. Gonna wing it and just go through this thing in one take because you probably already know the big news. Usagi, Typhoon Usagi over land. Where is the satellite layer? There we go. That thing is huge. Check out how big this thing is, especially if you look at this one, just the scale of how, all of the outer bands of the system, just one massive typhoon making landfall. No surprise, there's still warnings in effect. Hong Kong is at signal number 8. I know it was a little bit higher than that earlier with the signal number. And China, of course, still with the red warning of typhoon. They've got this map showing their wind probabilities. I believe it's on the Beaufort scale. And then we've got this thing that's showing the probability of rain. And I've just realized I'm supposed to talk in Spanish first because that's just what I do. So we'll talk in Spanish later. And then, of course, I need to go back to here. This is what happens when you do stuff in one take. Sometimes you just completely forget what you're supposed to be doing. Or something of the sort. So over here, we've got Tropical Storm Pabuk. I have no idea. Far away from land at the moment, but there are some, near gale warnings out here for this area. And yeah. And then over in the Atlantic, some non-news sort of near 0% chance. It's not actually 0%. If you look at the outlooks, it's near 0% chance on that. And apparently in the next 5 days, near 0% as well. Yeah, so basically some non-news there. So let's go back through it in Spanish. Yes. Por aquí hay un tifón. Este tifón, Tifón Usagi, a tocar tierra en China. Sí, y esta es una imagen de Usagi. Usagi es un tifón muy, muy grande. En Hong Kong tiene un aviso de número 8 por los vientos muy fuertes o más fuertes, muy fuertes. En China tiene un aviso de rojo de tifón en el momento. Este es el mapa de vientos y esta es el mapa. Este es el mapa, sí, creo que sí. De lluvias potenciales, lluvias muy fuertes por aquí en las zonas de rojas. Y por aquí en el noroeste pacífico también hay tormenta tropical Pabuk. Y según el JMA, tiene algunos avisos de casi gale, sí, en las áreas del mar o algo así. Y en el Atlántico tiene una zona de probabilidad, pero en el momento y también en los próximos 5 días tiene una probabilidad de cerca 0%. No hay nada de aquí. Sí, ¿dónde? Por aquí. Esta zona cerca de 0%. Cerca de 0%, sí. Y esto es todo en español. Y sí, por aquí en los Estados Unidos. Yes, we'll go back to English. So there is actually stuff going on today with the weather probabilities today. Or at least as of now, there is are, because it's plural, a word like that. 2 different severe thunderstorm watches in effect at the moment. Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah until 7 and 8 Mountain Time tonight. However, nothing had really kicked off as of the time of the screencast. So the biggest threat today is with the 58 mile per hour and greater winds, and that's what this map is showing, is the possibility of that occurring. So there's your 30% area. This is a map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So 15% chance on a pretty big area on that. And just as 2% chance of a tornado, which is both high but low in the grand scheme of if you've considered tornado outbreak type days, which are really rare. So 2% is both high, in general, but low in terms of an outbreak or something of the sort. And then it calms down, or appears to, for the next few days. Yes, SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickWickWickEdWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.